Chain has 3 passes of the chain, down, back, and down again. And if you look here, the end of it is held up here by the end of the sweeper. So if you watch what happens when I take that off, it'll hold 3 passes of the chain, and if I try to put any more on there, or if I bring the weight down to here, then it starts to all fall off. So it'll just barely hold those 3 sections of chain. If I hold it up there with my hand and press it all against there, it'll hold 3 passes of the chain. But if you put just a little bit more on there, it starts to come off.